Here's a great DIY for the weekend or for any time. Less than $20. I had built these nice looking call sign displays for my ham shack. I did it up in three different stains. I did it in a cherry, I did it in an amber, and I did it in a natural finish, a light color. Now, the only thing I got to do now is just hit it off with a can of shellac to give it that nice glossy finish. Here you have one pack of these individual Ks in the pack at the local dollar department store. Cost me $2. For $2, you can get a pack of 3 of these alphabets and numbers. So I've seen these online, and some folks is charging some real high prices on these displays. And here I put this together for little than nothing. As you see, there's it's secured by wood glue, dabs of wood glue. And this is a 1x2. The 1x2 I purchased from Home Depot. So, you can switch around different colors. Once I get the shellac and hit it off on there, I'm quite sure it'll look real nice. Anyway, I hope this inspired some to do this. Check out your local hobby shop like Michael's, Hobby Lobby, maybe Family Dollar, Dollar General, Dollar Tree. You might be able to find these, but definitely at your local Hobby Lobby or your Michael's department store, you probably can find these individual letters, whatever your call sign is, and you can make something like this. Go to Home Depot, get the 1x2 or 2x1, whichever the measurements, and get yourself some wood glue and some stain. Get some nice stain, or if you just want it natural looking, the choice is yours. Anyway, I'll say 73s. Have a great week. This is K2CSX. 73s.